Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to move sections from one project to another in Todoist. So it's very super useful for reorganizing your tasks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you will have to simply come on todoist.com and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, as of now, Todoist actually doesn't allow you to move an entire section directly to another project, but here is the simple workaround of that. As you can see that on my home page, I have two tasks ready. So you just have to simply select that particular section that you want to basically move. You can just click the section name to expand it, and after that you can just select all the tasks inside that section. Then you need to simply tap on the three dots right next to that section, and here you will see move to option. So once you click on the move to option, you will see your project. So you just have to simply select the destination of your project and your task will be moved, but you will need to manually recreate the section in the new project and you need to paste or organize the tasks under it. And this is how you can move the sections between project in Todoist. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.